Greetings and salutations. My name is Tish and welcome to the Artist Haven, where home plus art equals heart. In today's video, I am going to use a colander for pour. I'm going to use an autumn color scheme. This colander has been elevated, so we'll see what happens. I've got my paints all ready, so let's get down to it. In today's video, we are going to do an elevated pour, but I thought I would try using one more of the cups. These are the original cups that I used for the modification. So I thought I would add one more cup to it and see if elevating it more makes a difference. Well, that doesn't seem very much. Let's try one of these little guys. This is a little shot glass solo cup, and it fits inside here, so it'll raise it up even further. That's about an inch, probably a little bit more than an inch. So we're going to raise it up just that little bit more. Okay. So in today's video, we are going to be using Artist Loft White, a custom purple that I blended out of Artist Loft paints, Artist Loft Copper, a custom blend of orange that I made from Artist Loft paints. This is Artist Loft Raw Umber, or is it burnt? No, it's raw umber. And then this is a custom yellow that I blended using Artist Loft paints. There might be some dimethicone in some of these paints. I think this one might have a little, this one might have a little, and this one might have a little, but not very much. I couldn't bear to, there's like that little tiny bit at the bottom of the thing, and I couldn't bear to throw it away, so I mixed it up with some more, and so there might be like a drop in there. So let's prep this canvas. Let's put the colander in the middle. We're gonna, hopefully it'll stay there. And it's kind of sliding a little bit, but it's okay. So we're gonna do these in an order that will hopefully not give us too much mud. So we're gonna do, I'm actually gonna start off with a little bit of black. Let's get the cover off of that. I like to start off with black. I don't know why, I just do. All right, I tried to keep it mostly on the bottom so it would drip down and not out. So I'm going to use my airbrush here to kind of help it along because I'm impatient. Let's get a piece of paper and lift this guy up. Oop. I was afraid of that. Okay, this guy up. There we go. Set him off to the side. And I'm going to put a little bit of copper in the middle here. Let's torch this guy. Okay, and let's tip it. All right. I want to see if I torch that center, if I get it any more cells to produce, because that big blotch of purple, this is a little bit much for me. All right, let's try and bring some of this paint in. I got my skewer here. All right, we're gonna let this sit here. Come back to it in about 15-20 minutes. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes, probably closer to 20, and this is what we got. I go live on Tuesday nights to show you how all these paintings dry. We can discuss them and see what we can do different. If you like this video and would like to see more, please click that subscribe button and click that little notification bell. That'll let you know when we go live on our channel or when we upload new content. If you found value in this video, please click that thumbs up button. Thanks for joining me. Peace, love, and happiness.